Imagine this. It's Friday evening, you're exhausted after another long week at work, and you're scrolling through your banking app. Suddenly it hits you. Where did all my money go this month? Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. In fact, studies show that nearly 60% of adults live paycheck to paycheck. But here's the good news. Saving money doesn't have to mean drastically cutting down on your lifestyle or giving up your daily coffee run. Welcome back to the Money Mindset Hub. I'm your host, Raul Sofa, and today we're diving deep into the best money-saving hacks that you absolutely need to try. These tips are easy, practical, and trust me, they can transform your financial life. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's get started. Let's start with something relatable, your everyday spending habits. Think about that daily coffee. Sure, it's only $5, right? But did you know that those $5 coffees could amount to over $100 to $800 a year? Surprising, isn't it? But don't worry, I'm not here to tell you to skip the coffee altogether. Instead, why not alternate days or invest in a quality coffee maker at home? It's small adjustments like these that lead to big savings. Here's another quick hack. Always make a list before you go shopping. Sounds basic, but a well-prepared list can prevent impulsive buys that drain your wallet. And trust me, your future self will thank you. Now, speaking of everyday habits, let's discuss subscriptions, those sneaky monthly charges that seem harmless but add up quickly. When was the last time you audited your subscriptions? Research suggests the average person spends over $200 each month on subscriptions alone, many of which go unused. Let's tackle this together. Take 20 minutes this week, review your subscriptions, and cancel anything you haven't used in the past 60 days. Trust me, you won't even miss them. Once you clear out unnecessary expenses, the next step is to automate your savings, a hack that makes saving effortless. Automation is one of my favorite hacks because it removes the emotional decision from saving. Here's a simple strategy. Set up an automatic transfer each payday into a high-yield savings account. Even if it's just 10% of your paycheck, automation ensures your savings grow without you lifting a finger. Think about it. Imagine ending the year with a substantial safety net, or because you took 10 minutes to set up an automatic transfer. Sounds amazing, right? All right, let's dive deeper into something that can significantly boost your savings power: understanding and improving your credit score. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's a powerful financial tool. A higher credit score can unlock lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, saving you thousands of dollars in interest payments. Quick tip: regularly check your credit report for errors, pay your bills on time, and aim to use less than 30% of your available credit. Boosting your score might take a bit of patience, but the long-term savings, totally worth it. And since we're talking long-term savings, let's explore a bit about investing, even if you're a beginner. See, investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be complicated. One hack I recommend to beginners is micro-investing apps. These apps allow you to start investing with spare change, literally pennies, and it all adds up. Over time, these small investments can turn into significant savings. Another quick tip: always invest for the long term. Short-term market fluctuations are normal, but historically, markets reward those who stay patient and consistent. We've covered a lot today: adjusting everyday habits, auditing subscriptions, automating savings, boosting credit scores, and dipping our toes into investing. Each of these hacks is powerful individually, but together they can transform your financial life. So, which money-saving hack are you going to try first? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop your comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future episodes. Remember, financial freedom isn't achieved overnight, but each step you take today brings you closer. I'm Raul Sofa, and you've been tuning into the Money Mindset Hub. Until next time, stay savvy and keep growing your wealth.